Manulife can submit claim. If you're having trouble submitting a claim with Manulife, it could be due to several reasons, including technical issues, missing documents, or eligibility problems. Understanding the possible causes and solutions can help you resolve the issue quickly and ensure a smooth claim process. 1. Common reasons for claim submission issues. Several factors can prevent a successful claim submission. Incorrect or missing information. Errors in your claim form or missing details can lead to rejection. Technical issues. Website or app malfunctions may prevent you from submitting your claim online. Expired or ineligible claims. Claims must be submitted within a specified period. Late submissions may be denied. Policy exclusions. If the claim does not meet the policy's terms, it may be rejected. 2. How to fix online submission problems. If you're trying to submit a claim online but can't, follow these steps. Step 1. Clear your browser cache or try a different web browser. Step 2. Ensure you're using the correct login credentials. Step 3. Check if Manulife's website or app is undergoing maintenance. Step 4. Verify that all required documents are attached before submitting. 3. Verifying claim eligibility. Before submitting a claim, confirm that your policy covers the expenses. Review your plan details to check for exclusions or requirements such as pre-approvals. If uncertain, contact Manulife's customer support for clarification. 4th, alternative ways to submit a claim. If online submission isn't working, try these alternatives. Submit via mail, send the claim form and supporting documents to the designated Manulife address. Use the mobile app. Some claims can be processed faster through the Manulife app. Call customer support. A representative can guide you on how to submit your claim successfully. 5. Contacting Manulife for assistance. If you've tried all troubleshooting steps and still can't submit your claim, reach out to Manulife's customer service. Call the support hotline listed on your policy documents. Visit a local Manulife office for in-person assistance. Use the live chat feature on Manulife's website if available. If you're unable to submit a claim with Manulife, checking for technical errors, verifying policy eligibility, and exploring alternative submission methods can help. When in doubt, contacting customer support is the best way to resolve the issue efficiently. Click on the link in the description below to find out if you're eligible for a better insurance provider.